crazy, get fucking dumb, dumb. Get stupid, get 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 crazy, get fucking dumb, dumb.
Hellos, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taijah Marie if you've never seen my face before. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lay your wig, bleach the knots, tint the lace to better suit brown complexions, and I'm going to be giving my 100% honest review on Isee Hair and this wig in particular. If you learned anything new in this video or like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my new and growing family. All right, let's get right into the video. I got this wig from Isee Hair. It's a kinky, curly, full lace unit. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs. It's described on the website as 100% virgin natural color. It can be dyed, bleached, restyled with no tangles and no shedding. It's Swiss lace. It has 3 combs in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 on the back, and has hooks for adjustable tightness. I got it in Mongolian Hair. It's 22 inches and it comes in 130% density. I like to start off by cutting off some of the excess lace. It just makes the process a little bit easier. I have all of the items that you'll be needing, and I have also listed it down in the description below. You're going to want to start by grabbing your bleach, putting it in a bowl, and grabbing your developer. You're going to want to mix all that together, and you're looking for a good consistency, nothing too runny and nothing too thick. After it's all mixed together, I just grab my brush and I'm painting the inside of the lace with the bleach mixture. I'm just lightly brushing this on. You don't want to press too hard into it or you risk bleaching the hair. After you're done doing the inside of the lace, I just lay it down in aluminum foil to rest for around 7 to 10 minutes. After you've checked on it and the time is up, go ahead and rinse your wig off with some cold water. Make sure to get all the bleach off of your lace. Look at how much better that looks already. Okay, so next I grabbed my Shimmer Lights shampoo. That's going to help get rid of some of that orange brassiness that's left from bleaching. And I like to just let it sit for around 10 minutes. Alright, once the 10 minutes is up, we're going to rinse off the wig once again with some cold water. Alright, so next I'm going to grab some conditioner and just rake this through the hair. Conditioner is going to just help soften it and create beautiful curls. Alright, I let the wig sit for another 10 minutes and I'm coming back to rinse it off with cold water. At this point, it's best to just lightly detangle it and comb through it. right, so you're gonna grab a towel and just dry it off a little bit. Look at that scalp, yes. To tint the lace, you're gonna grab some water and put it on the stove to boil. Okay, so go ahead and grab your boiling water and you're gonna just put it in a separate bowl, or you can leave it in the pot that you had it in. So I'm gonna grab this semi-permanent dye and add this to the hot water and mix it up. I always like to take a strip of lace just to test it and see what the color is going to end up looking like. You don't want to just dip your lace into the tint and it be too dark. So that's perfect, so I'm going to just grab my wig and dip my lace into the water. I just let that sit for literally like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it all off once again with cold water. This is what your end product should look like. It's so pretty and it matches brown skin much better. I already have my wig cap on and I did the ball cap method. Usually I use the Got To Be Glued spray, but I want my wig to stay on my head longer, so I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond wig glue. So to start, I'm just going to dot some glue all along the perimeter of my hairline. I like to grab a flat comb and just mold it down a little bit, just so it's not as clumpy. You're going to blow dry the glue until it's transparent, and I'm going to add 2 or 3 additional layers, just so it sticks on my head much longer. Blow dry the glue, and you're going to just repeat this process as many times as you feel necessary. I was feeling a little bit impatient, so I'm going to put the wig on now. The glue is not 100% transparent. I recommend you always wait till it's clear, but like I said, I was being impatient, so I just put the wig on. I'm grabbing my favorite leave-in conditioner and I'm going to just apply this to my hairline. It's going to just create soft waves instead of those hard baby hairs. All right, let's talk about this wig, and I'm gonna keep it a stack. So I've been wearing this wig for almost 2 weeks now, and I thought this wig was terrible when I pulled it straight out of the box. I do believe that this wig brand is overhyped by influencers like the Glow Princess. So I didn't like this wig because I thought that it was extremely thin coming straight out of the box. It had like thin, short pieces all throughout the hair. And it had like red and blue strings also going all throughout the wig. So this is a relatively affordable wig, so you do have to factor that in when you're speaking on the quality of the hair. This wig was $217 and I paid $207. I got the $10 off by using the coupon code Kashia Jabri. I'll leave a link down below. This wig gets extremely dry. It tangles like crazy. I have to wet it down like every morning, every night, apply leave-in conditioner in it all the time. It tangles a lot and it is like a struggle for me to get through it. If I had to give this wig a rating, I'd give it around 6.5 stars. It's not the worst wig, it's not the best, but for the price, I guess it is. It's okay. My biggest con is with this wig being only 130 density and being as tangly as it is, this wig is not going to last very long. So I don't want to talk too bad about the brand. I do think that for the price point, it does a relatively good job, and I would buy from the brand again. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did like this video, show some support by liking this video and subscribing to my new and growing family. Leave a comment down below if you ever purchased from Isee Hair and what was your experience with it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!